Already hurt.
We just left the parking lot.
This pack weighs 50 pounds.
No, it doesn't.
Today we are back in Canyonlands National Park, and we are on the Murphy Point Trail. We have a permit to backpack overnight. You can get those permits at Recreation.gov. It's about 3.5 miles round trip, so it's a great easy hike, not a lot of elevation gain, and we're going to camp right on the rim somewhere.
Say something.
You think the wind's gonna stop?
I don't know. We crawled in bed early because it's going to rain and the wind is blowing.
Yep.
So hopefully we'll be okay.
Probably won't get any sleep, but we're warm.
We got up early, got packed up, we're heading out. Last night was kind of rough. The forecast didn't say it was supposed to be that bad.
The wind about blew the tent down.
A lot of wind all night, rain, thunder, and lightning. So we're grateful to be alive, and we got up, got packed, and there's more rain clouds coming, and we're going to hike out. because it's starting to rain.
Yep, we made it. Stay tuned till next time.
Thanks for watching.
Looks like we might be in for some rain tonight. There's some really dark clouds over there
Some behind you too.
and behind us. But we got a rain flap on.
A rain fly.
It's a flap.